Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many of you have been eagerly waiting for: how to recover deleted photos and videos on your Android phone. Trust me, once you learn this trick, you'll be amazed at how easy it is. Now, first thing first, you need to get this application called Google Photos. If you don't already have it on your phone, you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download it. After you have finished downloading the application, make sure to sign in with your Gmail account. Alright, so this is how this application is going to help us to recover our deleted photos. Now once you have signed in with your Gmail account, click on the profile picture on the right top corner, then click on a backup button. Once you back up the photos on your phone, it will automatically save to your Gmail account. Which means that, even if you deleted the photos from your phone, you will still have it on your Gmail account. And one advantage of using this application is that, if you deleted a photo or a video on your phone, it will store in the trash box for 30 days until it will delete it from your phone. Which make it very easier for you to recover all your photos. That's all for today's video. I hope this helpful tip will come in handy if you ever accidentally delete photos or videos on your Android device. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.